Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can correct your grammar in Google Docs. So there are two options that you can choose. So the first one is you can just use the spelling and check feature on the Google Docs. So you need to open your file first and then you can find the spelling and check feature in here at the top toolbar in here. There is an A with a check icon, so you can just click on this, or you can also use the shortcut Control plus Alt and plus X. So when you click on this, there will be a pop up in here. The spelling and grammar check detected my document looks good. So this is the first option. I'm using also the third party apps like Grammarly. Okay, so in here I have already built in the Grammarly apps to my Google Docs, and it detects 5 error, and in here you can see there is a certain word in my file with a red underline like this. So the Grammarly will suggest you the correct pronoun or the correct word to use. And if you want to use that, you can just click on the word suggestion and it will be changed automatically like this. And in here, there's also the uh, suggestion for to add a comma after the word unfortunately, and I'm going to just accept the suggestion, and now my file looks perfect. Okay, so that's two options on there are two options to correct your grammar in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. Bye.